Hello everyone and welcome to Neat Buddy. If you have been following our daily MCQ series till now, then you would be knowing what we are doing here right now. I'm providing you with 15 MCQs in jumbled format from all of the chapters of class 11th and class 12th NCERT biology so that you are able to crack the upcoming NEET exam with confidence by practicing these little extra MCQs over other students. So without wasting much time, let's get started with 15 MCQs for today. Question number 1. Crocodile, penguin are similar to whale and dogfish in which one of the following features? Lay eggs and guard them till they hatch, possess bony skeleton, have gill slits at some stage, possess a solid single-stranded central nervous system. The correct answer is option 3. They all have gill slits at some stage. Question number 2. Select the correct combination of statements A to D regarding characteristic of certain organisms. Methanogen are archaebacteria which produce methane in marshy area. Nostoc is a filamentous blue-green algae which fixes atmospheric nitrogen. Chemosynthetic autotrophic bacteria synthesize cellulose from glucose. Mycoplasma lack a cell wall and can survive without oxygen. The correct statements are ABC, BCD, ABD or B and C. So the correct answer is option 3. Statement A, B and D are correct. Statement C is incorrect. Question number 3. Three of the following statements about the enzymes are correct and one is wrong. You have to identify the wrong statement. Enzymes are denatured at high temperature, but in certain exceptional organisms, they are effective even at temperatures of 80 to 90 degrees Celsius. Enzymes are highly specific. Most enzymes are proteins, but some are lipids. Enzymes require optimum pH for maximal activity. Incorrect statement about the enzymes. So incorrect statement is statement or option 3. Most enzymes are proteins but some are lipids. That's an incorrect statement. Question number 4. The most apparent change during the evolution history of Homo sapiens is traced in walking upright, shortening of the jaws, a remarkable increase in the brain size, loss of body hair. The correct answer is option 3, remarkable increase in the brain size. Question number 5. Fastest distribution of some injectable materials or medicines and with no risk of any kind can be achieved by injecting it into the arteries, veins, lymphatic vessels or muscles. The correct answer is option 2, veins. You must have heard IV injections, IV lines. What is IV? Intravenous, into the veins. Question number 6. Select the answer with the correct matching of the structure, its location and function. Option 1. Cerebellum, located in midbrain, controls respiration and gastric secretions. Hypothalamus, located in forebrain, controls body temperature, urge for eating and drinking. Blind spot, near the place where the optic nerve leaves the eye. Rods and cones are present but are inactive here. Eustachian tube, anterior part of the internal ear, equalizes air pressure on either side of the tympanic membrane. Correct structure matching with the location and its function. So correct answer is option 2 is correct. Hypothalamus is a part of forebrain and it controls body temperature and urge for eating. Cerebellum is a part of hindbrain, not midbrain. Blind spot is near the place where the optic nerve leaves the eye. However, rods and cones are absent at this place. They are not present. And eustachian tube is located in the middle ear, not in the internal ear. It's a part of a middle ear and it has been correctly stated that equalizes the air pressure on either side of tympanic membrane, but the location of eustachian tube is incorrect. Question number 7. ABO blood group is controlled by gene I which has 3 alleles and shows codominance. There are 6 genotypes. How many phenotypes are possible? 3, 4, 5 or 6? So the correct answer is option 2. 4 phenotypes are possible, and what are those? A, B, AB or O. Only these 4 phenotypes are possible. Question number 8. Which one of the following is the correct description of certain part of human skeleton? First vertebrae is axis, which articulates with the occipital condyle. The ninth and the 10th pair of ribs are called as the floating ribs. Glenoid cavity is a depression to which the thigh bone articulates. Parietal bone and the temporal bone of the skull are joined by fibrous joint. Which one of the following is correct description of certain part of the normal human skeleton? So the correct answer is option 4 is the correct description. Parietal bone and temporal bone of the skull are joined by fibrous joints. Question number 9. Which one of the following organisms, its excretory organ are correctly matched? Earthworm, pharyngeal, integumentary and septal nephridia, cockroach, Malpighian tubules and entire ceca, frog, kidney, skin and buccal epithelium, humans, kidney, sebaceous gland. Excretory organ has been correctly matched with the organism. So the correct answer is option 1. Earthworm, pharyngeal, integumentary and septal nephridia are its excretory organs. Question number 10. Select the correct matching of a hormone, its source and function. Norepinephrine, adrenal medulla, increases heartbeat, rate of respiration and alertness. Glucagon, beta cells of islets of Langerhans, stimulates glycogenolysis. Prolactin, posterior pituitary, regulates growth of the mammary gland and milk formation in females. Vasopressin, posterior pituitary, increases loss of water through urine. Correct matching of hormone, its function and its source. So the correct answer is option 1. Norepinephrine, source is adrenal medulla and function it increases the heartbeat, rate of respiration and alertness. Option 2 is incorrect because source is given is incorrect. The beta cells of islets of Langerhans secrete insulin and not glucagon. Prolactin is a hormone that is secreted by the anterior pituitary, and the function of vasopressin is to decrease the loss of water. Vasopressin is also known as ADH, antidiuretic hormone. So it decreases the loss of water through urine. Question number 11. Alzheimer's disease in human is associated with deficiency of glutamic acid, acetylcholine, gamma aminobutyric acid or GABA, dopamine. The correct answer is option 2, acetylcholine. Question number 12. BOD of a river water has no relationship with concentration of oxygen in water, gives a measure of salmonella in water, increases when sewage gets mixed with the river water, remains unchanged when algal bloom occurs. The correct answer is BOD increases when the sewage gets mixed with water. That is option 3 is correct. Question number 13. The genetic defect adenosine deaminase deficiency may be cured permanently by administering adenosine deaminase activators, introducing bone marrow cells producing ADA into the cells at early embryonic stages, enzyme replacement therapy, periodic infusion of genetically engineered lymphocytes having functional ADA cDNA. The correct answer is option 2, by introducing bone marrow cells producing ADA into the cells at early embryonic stage. The genetic defect of adenosine deaminase deficiency may be cured permanently. Question number 14. Compared to the blood, our lymph has plasma without proteins, more WBC than RBC, more RBC and less WBC, no plasma at all. The correct answer is option 2. The lymph contains more WBC and no RBC. Question number 15. Sickle cell anemia is caused by substitution of valine biglutamic acid in beta globin chain of hemoglobin, caused by a change in single base pair of DNA, characterized by elongated sickle-like RBC with a nucleus and autosomally linked dominant trait. Sickle cell anemia is. The correct answer is option 2. It is caused by a change in single base pair of the DNA. So those are the 15 MCQs for today. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.